Have you ever encountered a public speaker whose message doesn't seem sincere, yet it can be humorous, but somehow it just doesn't connect to your heart? I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. The body and the voice, when united, are a dance. And in order for your audience to feel that they are part of the dance, your voice and your body must match the emotion of your message. If you're telling a story that is emotionally taxing, that has to do with a sad experience in your life, your body language must reflect that voice. It's part of the dance of sorrow. If your story has parts that are joyous and happy, then it must reflect the dance of joy. If there are parts of your story that are funny and humorous, your body language and your voice must reflect joy and laughter and humor. Remember, when delivering your message, your body and your voice are a dance. And it's your job and my job as speakers to take your audience along for the dance with you. I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. And remember, build your arsenal, break those barriers, step up and dare to be the challenger, the initiator, and the change agent that you were meant to be. Until next time, bye now.